In this video, we will review the procedure for registering for one of our upcoming online auctions. First, go to the App Store for your Android or iOS device. Search for Aucor Live and download the app. Upon doing so, the app will open and you will see the upcoming sales. Here you will see we have both live with webcast and timed online sales taking place. If you open an auction you are interested in, you will see Register to Bid in the information section at the top. Here you can choose to log in if you have registered with us in the past, or you can select Sign Up Now. There are two different types of registration. One is known as a light registration, and that is what we are demonstrating here. This allows you to begin watching and following specific lots of interest without having to go through the thicker authentication process and deposit payment at this point in time. You will then confirm that you have read the conditions of sale and terms and conditions. If you do not wish to register to bid, you can still browse the catalog without registering. If you do find a lot you are interested in, you can watch the lot or choose to place a bid. When you select Place Bid, it will require you to log in or sign up now. Once again, the same process applies. After logging in, you will be prompted to enter your telephone number and your address. Here you will have to agree to the terms and conditions and confirm that you are 18 years or older. Then click on Register. From the menu on the left, you can change any of your details in your user profile if you need to. It's just as easy to do this on the website. When you go directly to live.aucor.com, you will notice the same set of features and functionality as you currently have on the app. You can also log in again. The website will recognize who you are. You can also look at any bidding you are currently doing, as well as past bids. Once you have registered to bid, an online representative from Aucor will send you a mail to the email address you supplied when you registered. In this mail, you will be requested to submit your thicker authentication documents, in example, a valid ID and valid proof of residence that is not older than 3 months. Should you wish to place a bid in the name of an entity, for example a company, the mail you will receive from the online representative will include all the thicker particulars required in order to authenticate and successfully vet such an application. In this mail, you will also be provided with the banking details of the applicable Aucor branch in order to process the required registration deposit. You will also receive a text message confirming bank details. When you reply to the mail from the online representative and submit your thicker authentication and the proof of payment of your registration deposit, the representative will confirm the validity of your documents and whether the deposit reflects in the bank account. Only once this has been validated will you be approved to bid. You will receive a push notification or email congratulating you on your ability to now engage in this auction.